In this video, I will show you how to do 5 common tasks required to successfully navigate and manage Canvas as an instructor. The first one is going to be to adjust your Canvas homepage. To do this, you're going to navigate to the right menu at your Canvas page, whatever course you click into. You're going to click on Choose Homepage, and that gives you the option to select your various modules here. The default that we have it to for the master course is the syllabus, and that's a good starting point. Now, if you want to adjust the syllabus, you're going to need to click this edit button on the top right, and that will bring you to your syllabus editor. And all the magic will happen in this top block up here. You can see I imported a picture, a description of the course, and you can also import different files and attachments. To do that, you just import your attachments and pictures using this these top tools up here. You can also make a link to your AI if you use a digital AI scheduler using this link option right here. The next important feature I want to show you is how to create Canvas groups. This will be particularly important for anyone who wants to manage multiple sections under the same Canvas course. Navigate to your course, and all the personnel management will occur in the People menu. So over here on the left, you're going to click on People. And once your students and cadets begin to register, this will be a large list of however many cadets you have for the course. If you're teaching three or four sections, you'll have upwards of 70 cadets in here. So we want to break them up into their appropriate sections. To do that, you have to create a group set. So you're going to make a group set, and this group set has subgroups. So I only need one group set for a semester. I'm going to go ahead and make AY 23-2. And I'll create the groups later. I don't want cadets to allow for self-sign-up. I will save this, and now I have a group set. After that's completed, now I can make my subgroups, which will contain my sections, and you're going to do that. I'm just going to show you how to get there from the home page again. You're going to go to People. Up at this top menu bar, you can see that my group set for the semester is up here. So if I click that, now I can manage my group set. I have to create some groups, so let's make some sections. I'm teaching A hour, B hour, and C hour this semester. So I have my A hour. I'm going to make another group for my B hour. And a final for my C hour. So now I have my 3 sections here. And to add students, all I need to do is drag them into the appropriate section. So I just moved my wife into A hour, and then I could move other cadets or students and do other appropriate hours. I can also remove them fairly easily. So once you created your groups, all your cadets are added. You're going to take them all from this big list under your unassigned students and drag them to the appropriate hour. One quick thing I want to show you is how to look at your cadets by grades or by section, grades by section. Under your grade book, you'll have your cadets. You can actually view by your different groups. So you can see I created my 3 groups. If I look at my A hour, it will show my A hour cadets, so on and so forth. The next feature I want to show in Canvas is how to create Canvas assignments. You're going to navigate to your course, and I want to make an assignment. So under the assignments option on the left menu, click on it, and up on the top right, you have this blue button, Add Assignment. You're going to click on it, and now you can just add all your details on how many points, where is it going to be, what is it, is a file upload, which in our case for PL100 most will be, and all your options. You probably are going to want to ensure that this is assigned to everyone, and then Once you are done, we'll just call this test. You're going to save and publish. And we have a new assignment called test. If you notice, it is not in any kind of module. You can move this by using the Move To tab. So I'm going to go over to this right, these three dots, and you can move this to wherever you want. The next Canvas feature I'm going to show you is how to show or hide items from cadets. So essentially how to manage your instructor view versus your student view. This is not an intuitive feature that's fairly buried. So the way that I know how to do it, you're going to, from your home page, you're going to go down at the bottom to the settings option. Up in the settings, you have a top menu bar. You want to go to navigation. And under navigation, you'll have two groups here. This top group is everything that cadets can see. It's also in the order that it is shown within your course. So I have home syllabus, modules, quizzes, assignments, grades. You can see all 6 of these are in the same order that they're displayed on my course. If I wanted to move one, I can just drag. So if I wanted to move modules first, I move modules up or down, and the appropriate change will occur in my menu. Now, what is hidden versus visible to cadets? So everything in this second bottom group is invisible to cadets. You can see here, as indicated by the crossed out eye, that my cadets couldn't see any of these options. Now, if I wanted them to see discussions, for example, all I need to do is drag it up to this top. And once I do that, discussions will be, you have to click save. Discussions will now be visible to cadets. And then again, you can move this wherever you want in terms of the order. The last feature I'm going to show you is how to upload a document to Canvas. This is a little bit different than creating an assignment, but it's a very similar process. In PL 100, most likely you will upload documents would be supplementary type of handouts to support my module or cadet learning. First step, navigate to your course. Then you have something called file. So there's 2 ways to do this. You can upload some. The way I recommend is to go straight to the module you want to upload it into. So if we go to modules, we have our 40 lessons here in PL 100. Let's say, for example, I want to upload the schedule into my lesson 1. There's nothing in lesson 1 right now. To do that, I'm going to go to the appropriate module, and I'm going to click on this plus arrow on the right side. Now, this brings up an import tool. I want to import a file, and it's not already in the course. So these are all the files in the course. So to add something external to the course, I need to create a file, and that will present the option for me to import a file. So again, I want to make sure that I go to File, and I need to go to Create File, and that will give me the option to choose. I'll go ahead and import the schedule. So I clicked on whatever file I wanted to be imported, and now I can import this file, and there it is. And it will be an attachment as a PowerPoint in this case. If you want to attach a web link, it is the same process. You're just going to go to external URL, copy paste the URL in here and the name, and then add the item to your appropriate module. The other way to import or add a file is under the Files tab. You can see up at the top, this blue button will allow you to upload files here.